This channel started just 4 months ago, and it's already monetized. As you can see, he uploads long horror story videos, which means he can add multiple ads in one video and earn more revenue. I also run a channel in this same niche, and if you look at the average view duration, it's really solid for long videos. So yeah, this niche is definitely good to go, and we can work on it. Most of the work is done using AI, like the voiceover, visuals, and thumbnails. The only thing you really need to do yourself is the editing. And honestly, this kind of editing is super easy. As you can see in the video, he's using only images, and don't worry, this is 100% monetizable. You can even ask ChatGPT about this. Now, this part is very important, so listen carefully. A lot of people face the 0 views problem when they start a new channel. If you've just created your channel, don't upload a video on the same day. Wait at least a week. During that time, like videos, comment, and subscribe, just engage normally. You can even comment on videos like this one. When you create a brand new YouTube channel, YouTube may see it as a bot at first, but when you spend a week engaging with other videos, it understands that you're a real user. That said, it's always better to use an older channel if you can, so you don't face this issue in the first place. First, let's see how to generate a script using ChatGPT. We're not going to come up with ideas on our own. Instead, go to this channel and check which videos are getting good engagement. Just copy the link of that video. Then head over to a YouTube transcript website and paste the link there. Once you do that, you'll get the full script of the video. Copy around 2,500 words and paste them into Google Docs. Use the prompt I've provided. You can find it in the pinned comment or the video description. After giving that prompt, simply paste the video script. Don't worry, this method is 100% legal. Now, as you can see, it starts generating the script. It will first write the opening 500 words, and then you can ask it to generate the next part of the story. If you ask it to write a full 1,500-word story in one go, it usually won't do that properly. That's why I've designed this prompt this way, so you don't have to worry about the script at all. After it generates the full story script, copy it and paste it into Google Docs so nothing gets messed up when you generate the voiceover. Now we have our script ready. For the voiceover, there are 2 free tools. One has a limit, and the other one is completely free. The first one is OpenAI TTS. It gives you about 2,000 free characters, and after that you have to pay. But don't worry, this Speechma tool is completely free, and you can generate unlimited voiceovers. So we'll use this one for now. Copy the script. Keep in mind, you can generate only 2,000 characters at a time, so paste it here in parts. Then select the voice carefully. Choose one that sounds good for horror narration. I'll use the Andrew voice, but you can try out the other voices too. Now fill in the CAPTCHA, just type these numbers here, and click on Generate Audio. As you can see, it's generated. Now let's listen to it.
I was raised in a town people passed through, not a place they aimed for. A stretch of highway split it in two, and everything worth leaving sat on the other side of it. My mother used to say we lived in the quiet part, but quiet didn't mean peaceful.
Sounds good, right? Now it's time to edit the video. We'll use CapCut, it's easy to use. Normally, adding audio requires the pro version, but there's a simple workaround. Just download an older version of CapCut, and that issue will be resolved. And if this helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. Now let's edit the video. First, import the voiceover. For the visuals, we'll use a free Google tool where you can generate unlimited images. Just search ImageFX Google, open the first link, and launch the ImageFX tool from there. We'll give it a prompt, and it will generate the images for us. For the prompts, go back to ChatGPT. All the prompts I use in this video are available in the pinned comment. Just paste the prompt there, then copy your full story script and paste it in. It will start generating image prompts for each scene. Now copy one prompt at a time and paste it into ImageFX. It generates 4 images for each prompt, which is great because you can choose the best one. After that, add the images to your timeline according to the scenes. Next, add a keyframe. Click on the image, drag the playhead to the start of the clip, and click on the keyframe option. Then drag the playhead to the end of the clip and change the scale value from 100 to 125. This creates a slight movement effect, similar to what competitors are doing. Each image should cover around 1 to 2 minutes of the story. Overall, it usually takes about 2 to 3 hours per day to create a 1-hour video. Now we need a thumbnail. As you can see, our competitors are using very simple thumbnails, and the good news is, we can create these really easily using an AI tool. All we need to do is generate the image and then add the text, which we can easily do in Canva. Alright, now let's make a horror story thumbnail and see how it's done. As you can see, we're using the front area of a Walmart for this one. Next, go back to the chat where you created the image prompts for your video scenes. From there, just ask it to generate a Walmart front side scene. Copy that prompt and paste it right here. Once it loads, you'll see the result. It already looks pretty solid. And if you want to add or change anything, just tweak the prompt a little until it matches your vibe. Now go to Canva. Click on More, then select Video, Landscape. Upload the image you just created by dragging and dropping it into Canva. Scale it up until it fits the frame properly. Next, click on the text button and add your text. Write a strong line. Just copy the text style your competitors are using. Adjust the font size and change the color. Make sure to add some red to give it a creepy vibe. For better text visibility, go to Effects and add a shadow. Once you're done, click on the Share button, then Download, select JPEG as the file type, and download your thumbnail. Now just keep uploading videos consistently for the next 90 days and watch the results. It takes some time for YouTube to understand who your audience is, so be patient. Good luck.